Hi, my name's Lisa. I'm starting my tufting journey and I'm so excited. My new AK Duo has been delivered. I want to thank you all for joining me today on my journey to discover this new exciting craft. The gun is a cup and loop pile machine which I purchased from Tuft City, Brisbane. I ordered the AK Duo gun, primary rug backing fabric and rosewood rug carving tool. I am not endorsed by Tuft City in any way. So let's open this up and take a look at the content, shall we? Woo! I'm so excited! Goodness, it's going to take me a little while. I think we'll come back to it, hey? Okay, so here we have the rug backing fabric. I've got quite a fair bit of this, so I'll just put that aside for a minute. And here, this would be the rosewood wrong side. Rosewood carving tool. So, get the instructions. I don't know if you can see those. And some blades. Carving tool. Little speed dial, and we've got the cleaning brush, two more of the combs, and I suppose it's a bottle to put the oil in, so don't get the oil. Alright, so we'll put that aside. This is the rug fiend. Rug fiend. Open it up, and we have two little tools. Looks like some scissors. Two types of scissors by the looks of it. Big needle, lots of fitting tools, a few little gadgets, a cord, and instructions, power pack. There we go. There we go. So I'll give it an oil up and a little flame, and then we'll come back. Thanks for joining me, guys. I'm really excited to start this, so I'll come back and show you what I've done. Alright. Bye.